Hi, and thank you for tuning in. Today we are showing you quite an extensive fit out that we've done on a brand new Ford Ranger XLT. Now this vehicle has not yet been delivered. It's been done through a dealership. Customer requested a bunch of different HSP products to go onto this vehicle, and we actually were able to fit the whole thing out prior to the customer actually receiving the vehicle. And it's something that anybody can do. If you're buying a new vehicle, you can definitely request HSP products. I'm going to try to go through the whole vehicle with you guys in around 2 minutes. There's a lot to get through, so let's have a look. Now, one of the first products that you see here is the HSP Roll R cover. You've got the Rhino racks with the HSP clamp system that goes straight onto the Ford genuine extended bars, as well as we've done tailgate central locking on this unit and the Loadslide. So let's go through. Now, the Rolltop is electric and works off this remote. Open, pause, open, pause, anywhere you like, and obviously you've got that LED light, which I'll open it a bit more. You've got the LED light built into there as well, and that turns on when you open, turns off when you close. You do have a button on your remote for it as well. The other good thing about this unit is it's the only one in the world that is app compatible. So whilst I've got this going on a remote, the end user will be able to sync their phone with this and use either voice command or the actual application to be able to control the whole unit, making life a lot more easier. Now let's look at the second unit, tailgate central locking. As you can see, we've got the remote right here. You can simply open the car, tailgate opens, lock the car with the factory remote, and the tailgate locks. It's such an important thing to have for that extra bit of security, because the standard way to do it is you've got to pull the key out of this remote, which goes through here. You push this little button, pull the key out, and then you have to manually use that every time. So to avoid doing that, you can automate it, and it's a very cost-effective, high security feature that you can add to your vehicle. It complements canopies, hard lids, roll tops, any other sort of cover will really complement that as well. So, unlock, unit's unlocked. Now, let's have a look at the Loadslide. The Loadslide is something that we really like because it's custom cut to the wheel arches. It's a really nice unit in terms of being able to get access inside the tub. It can handle weight, and it can also latch in any position. So, as you can see coming out here, that will latch into place every 20 centimeters. So again, you just simply let go and it latches into place. The good thing about that is if you've got quite a lot of weight onto this, which you can load up to 250 kilos, and your car is on a slant, then what you can do is you can simply make sure the weight just goes and it'll lock itself into place. And the exact opposite, if it's coming towards you, you don't have to worry about it potentially injuring you. You can just let go of it. So that's the HSP Loadslide. It also has a 75% extension. Let's have a look at the Rhino crossbars on the HSP clamp, which is on the Ford genuine extended bars. These are awesome because they're a clamp-on, clamp-off systems, right? So you can take these off if you're carting around like a fridge or something higher. These aren't going to be in a fixed position. But if you've got bikes or if you've got other recreational gear that you want to put on there, even trades gear, you can easily use this as a secondary way to have items on top as well as inside the unit as well, which I think is a fantastic way. And the clamp system is a very cost-effective way of just adding extra cargo space to it. The third thing is obviously the Ford genuine sports bars, and these are supplied through Ford. There are other companies that have their own genuine sports bars. Now that's the fit out for today. Now remember, if you are purchasing a brand new car, please get in contact with us or your local dealer about HSP products. Or if you want to deal directly with HSP or any of our distributors around Australia, visit our website www.hsputelids.com, and there is a distributor map on there which will show you your closest location. You can also follow us on our social media, which is at HSP, HSP4X4. That's on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube as well. Thank you very much, and looking forward to seeing you guys next time.